Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from all over the world. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Something I want to just say right off the bat to all you guys, all you traders out there that have been following me and getting out quickly with those flash updates, I tip my hat, I commend you. You guys are unbelievable. I send you a flash update, I get emails seconds later. I got out here, Oscar, thank you. It's fantastic that you guys are following this, because I'm getting emails now from traders saying, I've never taken profits like this consistently before, and I'm teaching them one thing which is so important. Take short-term trading profits. Take your profits. These guys are doing it. Congratulations, guys. Stay with me on this. It does pay. You'll see. Okay. Another thing I just wanted to say briefly, you know, these markets, these grain markets look like, of course, already you see what's happening. They're going to go crazy. We've already had an orange juice freeze. The grains, as you've seen, have blown up. I'll speak about corn in a little while. But after this video tonight, I have a little short about somebody I like to call Carnac the Caterpillar. I think you'll see why once you see it. It's a little short right after this, so give me a little patience and watch it. You can think what you want, but anyway, so here we are. We're going to talk about trades for Friday, 1/19/07. If you were following me today, 1807, we sold the mini S&P at 1440 and a half. We took them back at 34 and a half. It was a great trade. We were done for the day. We canceled our gold. I flash updated everyone, canceled the gold about noon. So we never got hit in the gold. We were up again. We did it again. We only got one last round. This is round 12 today, Friday. Let's see if we can get another one done. All right, let's go right to the S&P. For March 07 S&P, we're going to sell at 1441. Again, sell it at 1441, just like we did today. Well, yesterday, I should say. Well, for the 19th, we're going to do it again, 1441. Place your buy stops at 1445.75, and our profit is 1428 and a half, or be out by the close. But I must say this time, because we're so close to the highs once again, I'm not as comfortable with this short as I've been all week long. I'm still going to take it, but just rest, you know, if you're a little bit faint-hearted, don't take the trade tomorrow. We've had a good week. I'm still going to take it, but tomorrow could be the day that they finally take out those upside highs. If not, I'll bet we'll see the 28 and a quarter. Let's see what gives. That's the S&P. Gold, we're going to take the gold for an elevator ride to the downside, I think. We're going to look to sell. We're going to look to sell March gold, 634, excuse me, no, Feb gold, Feb 07 gold, 634. Place your buy stop, 639.10 on a stop, and look to take profit at 623 and a half, or be out by the close on that. Again, recap, sell your Feb gold, 634, place a 639.10 buy stop, and look for 623 and a half. The subscribing's going well. I've literally subscribers from all over the world right now. You guys are following me. This is fantastic. But I can't get back to you with our flash updates, which I've told you about before. The flash updates are really essential to getting you out. You know, you heard me say just a few moments ago about flash updates, and I got people out. If you subscribe at the website or at the YouTube spot, and on my channel, you hit the subscription button, I'll be able to shoot you out my videos as soon as they come out. But then I can write back to you, and you can come back to me with your email address. Once you give me that, I'll put you on our flash updates list, and you'll know when I'm wiggling out of these markets. You can email me at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. You can call me at 718-351-2266. I'll put you on the flash updates if you call. Now, I just wanted to talk to you about corn for a moment, because I'm not going to call it today, but I've done some studying in my life, and boy, do we have something brewing in corn. This is textbook breakaway gap we have right here. There's a whole gap here. It hasn't been filled. This line does not exist right now. Look at this chart. It doesn't look exactly like this, but point is, on the corn, we have a gap, and generally what I've seen in my life with gaps is this thing is going to go boom to the upside like we haven't seen in years. This sort of leads into Carnac the Caterpillar. So stay tuned, and you'll see what I'm talking about with Carnac. Traders, good luck. Stay with those flash updates. I love the way you guys are getting out. Keep getting out the way you do. Don't wait for me to take the flash update and get out. If we have profit, take it and run. That's the way we trade. I'll get you out if I get the time to, like I'm going to get myself out, but you may get yourself out even quicker. So get yourself out. Short-term trading. Remember that. Take the short-term profits. If you've been following me, you see it's been working. Good luck, traders. Keep it up. We're doing great. Good evening, traders. You want to hear a quick lesson about how life, in every form of life, reverts back to trading in the markets? Look down again. Look at what this is right here. That's a caterpillar. This is January 13th. It's in the middle of the winter in the Northeast, up in New York City. There's a caterpillar walking around. I was flying kites with my children in 70-degree weather last weekend. The grains this year are gonna go bonkers. That right there, that little thing that you see right there, and me flying kites 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago in 70 degrees in New York in the middle of January, that tells me this is going to be the wildest year we've seen in grains for years. Let's see if this caterpillar, in fact, come here, caterpillar. Let's see if this caterpillar right here determines how high the grains are going to go this year, because this guy walking around right now, he just came out of my yard and walked into my office on January 13th in the winter, which should be cold, but it's warm out. This tells me the grains are going to go crazy. Let's see what happens. That's the way I trade. I look at things like this, I make analogies, and I go for it. So, that caterpillar, that's going to be your reason for trading commodities this summer. You'll see. Let's see what happens, traders. Good luck. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.